Do you ever feel a throbbing pain in your head that just won't quit? Migraines are more than just bad headaches. They can be debilitating, affecting your work, your relationships, and your overall quality of life. Millions of people suffer from migraines, and finding relief can feel like an uphill battle. But there's hope. Natural remedies can be powerful tools in managing and even preventing migraines. Before we dive into solutions, it's important to understand what we're dealing with. Migraines are intense headaches that often come with nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light and sound. The exact causes of migraines are complex, but we do know that certain triggers can set them off. These triggers vary from person to person, but some common culprits include stress, lack of sleep, caffeine withdrawal, and certain foods like aged cheese and processed meats. By identifying your personal triggers, you can start making changes to avoid them and reduce the frequency of your migraines. When a migraine strikes, it feels like your world is shrinking. The pain can be overwhelming, making it difficult to focus on anything else. One of the most effective ways to regain control is through relaxation techniques. These methods can help you manage the pain and reduce the stress that often accompanies migraines. Deep breathing exercises can work wonders. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. This simple act can help to calm your nervous system and bring a sense of peace. Hold your breath for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth. This process helps to release tension and can make a significant difference in how you feel. Repeat this several times, focusing on the rhythm of your breath and allowing your body to relax. Each breath should bring you closer to a state of calm and relief. Meditation is another powerful tool for migraine relief. It helps to quiet the mind and can be particularly effective when practiced regularly. Even a few minutes of quiet contemplation can calm your mind and ease the intensity of your symptoms. By incorporating these techniques into your routine, you can better manage your migraines and improve your overall well-being. Section 4. You are what you eat. Dietary changes for migraine prevention. The food we consume can have a profound impact on our health, including our susceptibility to migraines. While specific trigger foods vary from person to person, some common culprits include aged cheese, processed meats, alcohol, and foods containing artificial sweeteners. Pay attention to what you eat and how your body responds. Keeping a food diary can help you identify your personal triggers. Incorporate more whole, unprocessed foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Staying hydrated is also crucial, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Additionally, consider the timing of your meals. Skipping meals or fasting can sometimes trigger migraines. Eating regular, balanced meals can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is important for migraine prevention. Don't forget to manage stress, as it can also be a significant trigger. Combining a healthy diet with stress management techniques can greatly reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. Section 5. The power of scent. Essential oils for migraine relief. Essential oils have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties, and some can be incredibly effective in relieving migraine symptoms. Peppermint oil, for example, contains menthol, which has a cooling and soothing effect. Apply a few drops of diluted peppermint oil to your temples and forehead, being careful to avoid contact with your eyes. Lavender oil is another popular choice for its calming and relaxing properties. Add a few drops to a diffuser or warm bath to create a soothing atmosphere. Section 6. Embrace a holistic approach. Lifestyle changes for lasting relief. Managing migraines is not just about treating the symptoms. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your overall well-being. Regular exercise is essential. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, dancing, or swimming. Physical activity helps to release endorphins, which are natural painkillers and mood elevators. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Prioritize sleep, as it plays a crucial role in managing migraines. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. This can include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if necessary. Remember, managing migraines is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to experiment with different natural remedies until you find what works best for you. This might include herbal teas, essential oils, or dietary adjustments. You deserve to live a life free from the grip of migraines. By embracing these lifestyle changes, you can pave the way for lasting relief and a healthier, more fulfilling life.